So now we are going to add these env secrets. So let me show you first. Um, um,
No worries. We can edit this. No
okay,
worries. Yeah,
okay, okay. So now we'll use password here.
we can go and say what we have do. We
Hmm.
have done. That's fine.
Control C, Control V.
Mm, mm.
Okay, and the other one. So we have something called mule underscore version colon control V, not control V, control V, mule underscore version. Okay, and if you want to refer this now in this duplicate, no. Okay, fine. This has to be refer in a command. So that is, you can go ahead here and you can say dollar control V. That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
if I save this, it should go and let's recap what we have done. Okay, for this part. Okay, so we went to the setting.xml and then we have added this secret, this secret, and this secret. Three things we have added. Now we went to our setting.xml and in setting.xml, instead of hard coding value, we have externalized those properties. So we have mentioned env dot property name. So I don't need to mention that now. Here in setting.xml, go ahead and have this variable. Automatically env.platform will get access over there.
Okay.
Okay. That's the change we did it here. And now let's commit it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll mention here externalized credentials. Okay. Credentials. Commit. Now this will trigger my pipeline. And now the credentials and that form.xml property will be referred from our secrets. So if you look at our pipeline, it got triggered now. Let's wait for this. Now let's have a look at it.
I think it is taking because every time it is trying to add.
Okay, something is wrong. What it says? Unauthorized. Unauthorized. So somewhere platform username, platform password, control C. Something is wrong with this thing. Secrets, actions, control F, control V. It's there. Okay. Control C. Control F, control V. It's there. Hmm.
Might be where we have changed
No,
it.
other than these two places, we are not referring these properties. env dot. Okay. Control C. Hmm. When we
In
are writing the
in
YAML file, right?
YAML file, right? Yeah.
Control F, control V. It's there.
Hmm.
Control C. Control F, control V. It's there. Okay, what could go wrong? The values could be wrong. Let's go ahead and try once updating those values. So edit this guy, update. Oh, it's asking me to give the password of my my GitHub. Yeah,
Yeah.
awesome. I'll just say okay. Yeah. See now, if you have access, then only you can update this. This was new to me. The username. Not.
Why we are creating now?
Yeah, yeah. Why we are creating? That's a good point. Actions. Update. Hope things are okay now. Action. I can go ahead and say
We can trigger it again. Right?
rerun the job. Rerun.
Failed job, I think.
No, this job it should write failed job. Yeah, somewhere that
Oh.
value were wrong, right?
Hmm.
So now you can see that it's getting redeployed. Okay, and if you go to our AnyPoint platform now, if I see that the application is getting deployed. Okay,
Yeah. Yep.
so let's recap in the last part what we did. We went to setting.xml.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever hard coded values were there, we externalized them. Okay, then we come back to our GitHub pipeline. Okay, and here we went to the settings under secret. We have went actions and we have added these three properties.
Revalue.
Okay, this is second step. Then third step, we went to the YAML file, our workflow file basically. And in workflow file, we said, hey, refer now these values from secret. And the
Mm.
syntax is env colon, the property name. You can give whatever property name you gave here, but make sure this env dot has to be there.
Yep.
If you are using this, then this has to be properly
Got
added.
it.
Okay, and then those values will be coming from this secret.
Okay.
Now
And the
everything is,
syntax for Jenkins is the same, right?
yeah, yeah, almost same, almost.
Be- Because this is YAML file, and the YAML file has the same format, I think.
Yes, yes. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and that's all from this session. The command is pretty clear here,
Mm-hmm.
and things are externalized. Right now, we have implemented the job for main branch. Same job we can implement for dev branch and test branch. No change at all.
So
Okay.
can we keep the same right? And this will be in the artifact, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Same. We just need to add main comma dev and comma test.
And then we need to say on which branch you want to run this job, build and deploy on which branch you want to run. Whether for main branch, then it will be a prod job. For dev branch, it will be dev job. For test branch, it will be test job.
In the
Specific
in
job we need to,
Okay, yeah.
yeah, write it for it, because in dev or in the test we'll be building the jar and then we'll uploading it to the artifact. Okay,
Mm.
And in production, we'll be just referring that jar. We are not going to build it here. We'll simply say deploy. That's it.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that's all from this session. Hope you got it. Okay.
Yep.
And yeah. So tomorrow we'll be seeing POCs. Okay. So we'll